Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So today pretty much we're putting some work on the 240. Also we're going to be working on the motor. We're going to be serving since the motor is not done yet. Guys, I put the motor on the stand. How cool is it, huh? You guys were right. Actually my clutch didn't fit on the stand with the motor. So I have to take everything apart, you know, so I could just mount the motor on the stand. We're going to be putting the clutch back pretty much as last step. And also we're going to be using ARP flywheel bolts. As you guys know, you're not supposed to reuse your OEM bolts because, you know, once they're torqued down they get stretched out, so it's not recommended. So here's the motor. Damn, this thing is dirty. You see how greasy is all this? I'm about to take it out just to power wash it though. Damn. Alright, so pretty much today video we're gonna be doing some maintenance on the JZ. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove your stock oil cooler, and also we're gonna be taking out the mount just to, you know, clean up everything, you know, just make sure that everything is gonna be fresh on this side and also on this side, which is this is the turbo side. And then after that I wanted to do the oil pan because, as you guys know from the beginning of the series of last year, I kind of stripped a couple of bolts on the oil pan. I actually want to get that fixed up because, you know, it's just prevent leak and whatnot. So yeah, so we're gonna be doing the oil cooler. We're gonna be taking out the mounts. I actually want to take out the excessive motor mount just to have them clean up, and also the air conditioner delete brackets. I actually want to clean that up and also have it painted, you know, just make everything look fresh. Oh, and also we're gonna try to take out the intake manifold because I do want to get this thing cleaned up and painted. We might go with silver. I don't know yet, but let's see how everything works out. Other than that, I think that's pretty much it. I think the motor should be ready to go. So pretty much here's the motor. Look at how filthy that thing is. Damn. Look at the mount. So greasy and dirty. Look at this one too. I mean, eventually they're gonna get dirty as well, but man, I just can't let that go now. Here's the stand from Jigs, and you guys were right. The clutch won't fit with the stand, so as I just said, I'm gonna leave the clutch for last step. Here's my clutch. Alright, so as you guys know, the 1jz and the 2jz come with the stock oil cooler. Now to take this out, it is very simple. I know some people find it like very difficult, like me. I couldn't take this out before because I didn't have the right tool. Actually, you don't need a right tool. You just gotta unplug your oil sensor. This is for your oil pressure sensor. And then you're gonna take out this fitting. This is actually connected to my gauge, for my digital gauge. So it's actually go like this. I already have this taken out, so and then after that, from here you need a 24mm impact socket, and you kind of want to loosen this bolt over here. This bolt actually holds everything in place, like this little cone thingy here, and also it actually hold the filter in place. So once you take this out, the whole thing should come out. So you're gonna use a 24. You're gonna just bring this out like so. Like I said, this bolt, it is pretty long. Right here it is. You might want to keep this on the side, you know, you might gonna use it again, I don't know, maybe, may not. And then after that, there is actually two hoses that is connected to the block. Okay, now you're gonna just pull those out. This is actually a coolant hose, right? One is on the top and also one is on the side. I already have this loosened, but you gotta play to pull it out because they're kind of stuck in, you know, with the coolant and stuff. But other than that, it is pretty simple. It is very easy. Here it is, the stock oil cooler. Whoop, coolant's looking. Actually, oil's looking. Alright, now I'm taking these out. is because, as you guys know, I do have a ready sandwich plate that I'm gonna be putting instead of like this one. Alright, so here a quick information that you guys should know. Now, if you guys plan to do this mod and not use the OEM stock oil cooler, you might need this. This bolt actually allows you to run your sandwich plate. Now, there is a shorter version of this. That one actually is for your oil filter only. So pretty much, if you're not gonna run any oil cooler relocation or any aftermarket sandwich plate, you should get a shorter one. Alright, so pretty much here I got the oil filter relocation kit installed. As you guys know, from an S13 chassis, it is pretty tight to access the oil filter. That's why I'm doing a relocation kit. Now, I didn't buy this relocation kit. I bought this when I had my KA24D back in the days. We're talking about like 3 years ago. So this is a oil filter relocation kit from Circuit Sport. This actually would go into an SR, but it was just sitting around, and then I was just playing with it, you know. Actually, it comes with two fittings. I believe one is 316, and I don't remember which one is the other one. The one that I'm using is a 316 fitting, and actually it fit in here, so you don't actually have to spend tons of money and buy a oil filter relocation kit for JZ, because I know for JZ they go for a lot more. Alright, so pretty much after you take out your stock oil cooler, you're gonna have two open lines. Now, I'm not planning to cap that because I wanted to run heat on my car. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just add a hose onto it, you know, put the clamps back on, and then just let it free run. Alright, so pretty much here we have it. The intake manifold is out, and this thing looks really filthy. We're gonna need a new gasket over here because this thing is pretty much done. So pretty much this was actually done last year with such a rush that is look like a mess now. That's why I always tell you guys to take your time and do everything right, because you don't want to do it twice. I guess we're gonna try to organize all this now, make it a little cleaner, and then let's see what happens. Alright, so pretty much here, just a update of what I have done so far. So pretty much I went a little further beyond, and I took out the other part of the intake manifold as well, where is the fuel rate located. I'm actually gonna bring this home and do it at home because it's kind of cold out. You know, working with the doors open is kind of difficult for me. Old people problems. I mean, it is really cold out though. Now we're sitting about like 35, so you guys can imagine. I'm gonna actually go online and order new gasket for the intake manifold tonight, because you know they were pretty much done. And then after that, that's pretty much it. We just need cleaning, and then painting. And then after that, I should be able to work on the oil pan, and also maybe I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I might replace the whole thing. I might just try to retap it with helicoils. I do actually have a whole front zoom oil pan. Thank you to Adam, one of my other friends. He's doing a 1jz on an E46. It's gonna be a sick rebuild. I haven't really had a chance to go visit him, but you know, yes.